The skin is skinny and the body is glowy. The skin is skinny and the body is glowy. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a new wife diary. It has been a long time since we post wife diary vlog on this channel, so that is why I said we need to upload a vlog this time around. The reason why I did not upload vlogs more often, it is the fact that I am really busy right now. So we are about to take our exam, so that is why I am unable to upload vlogs. So I just do sit down videos here and there. That is why I am not been uploading my vlog, because I am busy. I don't know if it makes sense, but yeah, I think I have passed my message. So now welcome to a wife diary vlog. Welcome to a new vlog. Welcome to my channel. I want to say something to you guys. I've been seeing things on the internet lately that says wife or slavery. They are having misunderstanding. They are finding it hard to know the differences between wife and slave. Okay, so that is why I said I want to elaborate on that further, because when we talk about wife, right, we talk about someone that is always there for our husband, that always have our husband's back, that supports our husband, that love and cherish our husband, someone that fulfill the responsibilities of the house, someone who always makes sure the house is well taken good care of, whether if you the person or you the wife do it yourself, or maybe you find someone that will help you doing it. If you want to do some of the household chores as a wife, I did not think if you do household chores as a wife it is called slavery. I want to believe that if a wife do something, it is because she wants to make her home homey. She wants to make her home feel comfortable, like a safe space, a place where her husband will come and feel at home, right? So a wife is a homemaker and not a slave. Some people are having this misconception that if a wife do household chores, if a wife go to the market and organize his home, doing all of those stuffs, that means the wife is a slave. Who said that? You are doing it because you love your family, right? You are doing it because of your family. You are doing it because it is your responsibility. You the wife, it is your responsibility. And when your husband is not around, you are the head of the home. It is a responsibility that has been given to you the wife to take care of the home. And I just want people to stop thinking that if a wife does household chores, she is a slave. She is not a slave. Okay, we as African women, our parents taught us how to be a home keeper. Since we are kids, we wash plates, we wash spoons, we clean the home, we clean the bathroom, we take care of our household chores, we do our laundries, because our parents want us to become independent. In the future, when you get married, even if you have a nanny that knows how to do all of that household chores, but you will want to do something for your husband, right? Or you will want to do something for your kids. You will want to take care of your kids' clothing, your husband's clothing, right? So for me, a nanny is just there to help you, to assist you. But you the wife, it is your responsibility to take care of your husband. It is your responsibility that your husband should always go out looking neat, looking clean. And when your husband friends want to visit the home, it is your responsibility that your home always stay intact, always clean, always welcoming. So when your husband friends visit him, they too will know that, okay, there is a wife in this home, right? I don't know. For me, I did not see it as a slavery. If you always have the misconception that a wife should not do anything, a wife should just be there to enjoy the husband's money and give back, a wife should know what is a better and worse situations. For some women just love to enjoy the money. When a situation arises, maybe your husband did not have the money to hire a nanny, you will say, because my husband did not have the money, or because my husband cannot afford a nanny, I am not going to be a slave. I am not going to do anything. I will sit down. Who told you that? Some things, some household chores, you need to learn them for yourself, right? Just learn them for yourself. Even if you are married or not, just learn basic skills to take care of yourself. So, wife and slavery is different. If you say you are a wife, you shouldn't be thinking like a slave, because slave, they force people to do something that they are not willing to do, right? For me, that is a slave. If they force me to do something and I don't want to do it, and they are pressurizing me do it, or they will flog me to do it, that is a slave. Well, for wife, you are doing it with your full chest. You are doing it with a smile on your face. You are doing it because you are happy. You are a homemaker. Your husband is going out there to find money to sustain the home, to find money to take care of you, your responsibilities, take care of you, take care of the kids. So for me, your own responsibility as a wife is there to take care of the home. Make sure your husband is always happy, even if your husband is sad. But if your husband gets home and the place is very clean, right, very neat, very decent, smelling good, your husband will feel at home. Maybe the stress that he have on that day, it will just vanish. But if your husband come back from work and your husband find the place very scattered, very smelly, not well organized, my sister, just because you don't want to do it, because if you do it, you are now a slave. Yeah, because you have the mindset that if you do it, you are a slave. So you are not going to do it except your husband find someone that will do it for you. Wait, do you think that you married to your husband just to come and lie down? It is not just to give birth, right? You marry your husband to work together as a team and to always understand the situation, to always be there for your husband, to always support your husband. That is why you are the missing rib of your husband. You are the husband's support system. So please don't get it twisted. If you do something in your home, you do household chores, you cook for your husband, you clean the home, you are not a slave. You are simply a housewife and a homemaker, right? Okay? You are not a slave. Stop misleading yourself. Some of you ladies out there, you want to get married, but you are not willing to sacrifice. And marriage is sacrifice. You need to become selfless when you get married, even if you are not a selfless person. But when you get married, your family should be your priority. Your family should come first. Your kids, your husband, before you put yourself first. Yeah, we always say put yourself first, put yourself first. But in a situation where you need to be a virtuous woman, you should be selfless. Your family should be a priority. But in the case that your husband always insults you, always abuse you, there is a question mark. If your husband always abuses you, always insults you, no respect, always abusing, especially the physical abuse, I am not advising anyone to go through that or to just be there because you want to be a virtuous woman. So the thing is, housewife is not a slave, okay? Housewife is not a slave. Housewife is someone that understands her husband, supports her husband, take care of the home, take care of the kids, make sure they are well to do, at the same time your husband is returning the same thing. Your husband, the role of your husband is to take care of the home. Make sure that you always have something to eat. Make sure that whenever you ask him for something, he always provides. Your husband is the provider and you are the homemaker. So stop getting it twisted. Your husband loves eating your food. Your husband did not even want to eat outside. Your husband always wants to eat your food. It is because you are putting effort to build your home. All of these things bring people together, bring family together. So for me, that is not slavery. And marriage is not all about better. It's also about the worst situations. If you don't have nanny, you can do it yourself. If you don't want to do it yourself, then you hire nanny. You hire an house help. I just want to say this. I just want to clear the air. If you see me on my channel doing stuff, I am not a slave. I am not a slave. I am simply a homemaker. And I am happy about it because I am doing things for my family. I am cooking food for my husband with love. That is why my food always tastes good, because I am happy when I'm doing it. While I'm doing it, no one is pressurizing me. And I did not have the mindset that because of I'm doing it, I am a slave. I did not have the mindset. I have the mindset that because I am doing it for my family, and I want them to be happy. I want their tummy to be full, and I will be happy. If my husband eats my food and praise the food, I love this food, I will feel good because I have a good and a positive feedback from my husband, even if the food is not sweet. But because I make the effort to do it for him, he too appreciates it, right? So please don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. Marriage is for better or worse. For better or worse, right? Except if you want to leave your marriage because what you are expecting is not what you see in the marriage. Marriage is not for the weak. That is all I can say. There are ups and downs in marriage. Marriage is not for the weak. If you say you want to marry, don't just think about the wedding. People will come and eat, then they will go. At the end of the day, the marriage continues. So, not all that is glitter is gold. Okay? I don't want to be a preacher, but I just want to say this out there. Stop getting it twisted. Continue watching the vlog. Bye. So guys, I have these beans that I want to cook today. Red beans. We normally call it kidney beans. Guys, these beans take time to cook. Oh my goodness. I'm going to cook 3 cups. Yeah. And this beans taste nice. I love it anyways. But the problem that I have with these beans is the fact that it takes time to cook. So what I normally do is I will soak the beans. Let me show you guys properly. And it is dirty. I don't know if you can see. Quite dirty. I'm going to wash it. So I will soak the beans, then I go to the market. This will nearly take 2 or 3 hours to cook properly because I love my beans soft. So yeah. I have dirty water here. I'm just going to add this to it. Okay. Good morning. I'm a bit scattered. Yeah, my hair is not in place. I'm a bit scattered, but my baby is just talking. That is not a plan. I'm going to arrange my hair, then head out to the market, go and grab some things. You all know that this is naturally sweet. It does not need too much ingredients for it to taste good. So I'm just going to buy just basics. Talk to you guys later, okay?
Russia's war in Ukraine nearing an end. What's life in Afghanistan really like nowadays under the Taliban? Looking at eyewitness account, it stars more than 90,000 cameras in home. Join me after the news for Unspun World. A program that goes behind the headlines to find out what's really going on.
Let me show you guys what I got from the market. Okay, first let us check our beans. Wow, you see guys, I don't know if you can remember where the water was the other time. No, look at the beans are swollen. I don't know if I forgot to buy anything, but yeah. So my rice has finished, so I decided to buy rice in the market. This one is going for 450 leones because They normally sell like 600 leons, and Maggi, obviously 1 leons, nothing changed. Also this 1 leons, this is baking soda for the beans, and this fish, it is catfish, but these are the smaller ones. I don't know if you can tell. So I bought this all for 25 leons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over here I bought chicken wings for 20 leons, and I also bought palm oil. This palm oil goes for 14 leons. This one is 1 pint and half, 1 pint and 2 liters. So this go for 14 leons because the pints go for 8 leons. I don't know if I can have copyright for this. Here I bought crab. This one has life, by the way. So I bought these crabs for 10 leons, and here yellow pepper, I bought this for also 10 leons because this pepper have good flavor. I love it. And I also bought this other one. This one is going for I think 5 leons. So that is why I bought these two, so that this can give me the flavor and this can give me the heat. Lest I forgot, I did not buy onions because I have onions. So yeah, these are all the things. Hadi otur anti. So guys, I'm done cooking and I also take a shower. So let us dish the food.